Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, we're hopefully going to be saving you guys some money. How many people out there have been in this situation? I want you to imagine this. You've spent $400, $500, $600, $700 on your premium, beautiful drone build. It might be your first time. You might never have done soldering, but you thought, you know what, I can do that. You've put it all together. It comes to plugging in the battery, and all of a sudden, you see the magic smoke come out. The components are bursting into flames. You think, why didn't I check that? There's got to be an easier way. Well, today, yes, you're in luck. This little device right here, it's from Vifly. It is the Smart Saver. I'm going to link it down below. It's a very simple device. I think it costs about 10 bucks, and essentially it can save you hundreds of dollars. Now what it does, it just plugs into the drone. We're going to go through a quick demonstration, talk about it right here. If I can get this in the roof cam, hope I have it. Right, yeah, that's better. I've started the roof cam so you can see this is the device right here. It's very, very simple. You've got an XT60 connector on one end, an XT30 on one end, and on the other side you've got an XT60 and also an XT30. Now this end is the side you put your battery in, and this end right here, this is what plugs into your drone. So we're going to demonstrate a drone that does not have a short, so the way it's meant to work. You can plug it in like this. Actually, you should do it this way. You plug your battery in. It's got a little green light for good, so a little green light should come on. It's saying, look, at the moment, we're not detecting any shorts. Everything is honky-dory. Then you plug the other end into your drone. We've still got a green light there, boys and girls. So this is ready to rock and roll. It's saying on this drone, this one I've got right here, there is no shorts. You can go and fly that. You can plug your battery in and no worries, and I can do that and show you right here. There's not going to be, I almost plugged that in the wrong way. That would have been bad. There's not going to be any magic smoke. You're not going to be frying anything. So I want you to pretend this is your very expensive drone build. Now, here on the other hand, we have this little drone. This bad boy, I maybe accidentally flew this into a pond, and it definitely has some short circuits in there. Smoke has already come out of this. So let's plug this in. And it's always better to plug this in the first time. Plug the battery side in first. The light is green. It's ready to test. Plug it into right here, and you can see straight away we've got a red light there, which means somewhere along inside this drone there is a short circuit or some overcurrent. Something is not going to work. If you plug this drone in now, chances are you're going to be having a short, or some smoke might be coming out. It's just not going to be a good time. So if you build this, if you build your drone up and you plug it in, there's a red light, you need to double check some of your soldering connections. Now let's go through some of the settings. It's a very, very simple. Of course, you've just got your voltage in, voltage out. You've got a 1 amp and a 2 amp setting, which you can have. There's a little switch right here, and then on the bottom right here you have some different configurable options if you do want to do some soldering. And it says here in the manual, if you put it on the S, if you bridge these two little S pads, hopefully they're in shot, they're on this side anyway, you get 5 millisecond short circuit and 15 millisecond overcurrent. And if you solder up the end pads, you get 7 milliseconds and 20 milliseconds over circuit. So it comes with little instructions. Very, very simple stuff, easy to use. Green light means good, red light means bad, blue light means you've got it on the 2 amp current setting, so should be able to demonstrate that as well. Plug this bad boy in. So yeah, so we've got it on, that means 2 amp. You can see that's all that does to let you know what it's on. And then you're ready to rock and roll. So a short, sharp, sweet little video for some of you guys out there. The link's down below. Let me know, what is the most expensive thing you have ever fried? Would this have saved your bacon back in the day? And I think if you are a first time builder, or you are building premium drones, you're not 100% confident, and you don't want to break out the multimeter or anything like that, you're not 100% confident with your build, something like this can go a long way. So anyway, on that, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying!